You definitely need to try this one. This is like out of this world. Well, hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this amazing stuffed meatball recipe. Stay tuned. So for today's recipe, I'll be using 1 pound of ground beef. This is 75-25. All right, so it's 75% lean and 25% fat. So we're gonna go ahead and add our dry mixture or dry ingredients. So here I have some garlic powder, onion powder, complete seasoning, a little bit of black pepper, Montreal steak seasoning, and some jerk paste. All right, so we're just gonna combine everything. Add our paste. We're gonna give it a nice little mix. Just make sure everything is nicely, combined together, fully mixed. And we're also gonna add 1 egg. So this is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. And the breadcrumbs along with the egg is gonna add a nice, basically it's gonna help you hold, the meatballs together. All right, guys, so here I have my shrimp. I have 6 pieces of jumbo shrimp. I have my lemon pepper seasoning and my Old Bay seasoning. Combine these two together real quick, and then go ahead and add. Mix it up a little, just like that, and we should be good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add our shrimp. And we're gonna cook them for 2 minutes. With shrimp and seafood, you don't really need to cook them for that long, So 1 minute per side, and then we're gonna remove it from the heat. Make our meatballs, stuff them right in the middle. I might add some cheese to it, but you never know. Just keep watching, guys, and you'll see how it turns out. All right, stay tuned. So after 1 minute, you want to go ahead and flip them, just like that. It's looking good. There we go. All right, guys. So we're gonna try to make at least 6 decent size, large size meatballs. All right. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After you start to cook them, they're gonna shrink a little bit. So don't mind the size right now. I'm trying to make sure everything is nice and even. All right. All right. Add a little bit to this one. Make a ball, just like this, and then in the middle, right here, I'm gonna add my shrimp. All right. So we're gonna add the shrimp in the middle, and then we're gonna cover it. Make sure it's nicely covered. Wrap the ground beef around it, just like this, and just leave the tail part out. All right, at this point, guys, we're gonna sear off our beef, our ground beef with a shrimp, but I'll be using beef tallow or beef sweat. All right, so we're gonna add about a tablespoon or so. Once it's melted, then we'll add the ground beef. The beef tallow is gonna add a nice flavor, to this meatballs recipe today, guys. Trust me, this is a must-try recipe, and if you've never used beef tallow before, you definitely need to try it out. So after about 2 minutes, you want to go ahead and rotate, flip it over, flip them on the side, just like that. And after you flip them, cook them for 1 minute per side. You know, keep rotating, just like that, and you should be good. All right. Yes, guys. So this is how your stuffed meatballs should be looking right now. We're gonna add some fresh ingredients. I have some bell pepper, garlic, green onion, and yellow onion. All right. Go ahead and drop it in, just like that. Oh yeah. And we're just gonna cook this for about 30 seconds. We're gonna add a little bit of water, not much, about 2 tablespoons. Let it steam a little. And then we're gonna add some sweet and sour sauce. Just like that. And we're gonna cook this bad boy for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're gonna drop it on the plate and enjoy. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so this is our stuffed meatballs, you know, with shrimp, jumbo size shrimp. And then I'm gonna top it off. I'm topping it off with some sweet and sour sauce. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Oh my God. Smothered in sauce. Woo! And then we're gonna top it off with a little bit of parsley. Oh yeah. Yes, guys, you already know what time it is. Favorite part of the video. I'm about to dig in and let you know how it is. All right, I'm gonna slice through it because I already know you're probably thinking like, is it cooked? Is it cooked right through? Yeah, it is. So I'm gonna slice right through it and let you see. All right. Slice right through. Look, fully cooked, guys. Oh my God. Rub it in that sauce. I got a nice little piece of shrimp right here. See? Whoa. This is so freaking good, guys. If you haven't tried any of my recipes yet, guys, you definitely need to try this one. This is like out of this world. Well. Yes, guys, once again, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.